We've got the P12 knee pad and elbow pad. Can you first just talk me through the product?
This is one of our foam products, protective foam products, made out of D-cell, and then it has a cap that goes with it. Typically these will be pocketed within the garment, and then the caps will be stitched out on the outside.
And what's the role of each individual part of it?
So they work as a system, ideally, but caps there for durability, really, and for some element of puncture protection as well. So hence that's on the outside of the garment, so it'll protect the garment and obviously the end user from anything sharp or uncomfortable like gravel. And then the knee pad is here for cushioning, so sort of low level impacts, like taking a knee and things like that, kneeling down, but also for sort of larger impacts, so falling to the ground, things like that. It will offer that level of shock absorption as well to prevent injury.
What makes this knee pad different to other competitors?
Our material really shines in both the impact protection, so again you might find a lot of knee pads on the market, but they will be made potentially from foams that are more orientated towards comfort. That doesn't offer you that protection in that sort of higher energy scenario when you might fall or stumble, things like that. So our foam's very good at that. It's adaptive as well, so it will get stiffer at those higher energies. So it offers you a broader range of protection, if that makes sense. And then the other key thing with our materials as well is something that you can kind of measure as compression set. So it's protection over time. And what that means is some of the foams that you'll find in some pads, they'll be good for maybe the first couple of minutes, like when you kneel on them, they'll feel comfortable, but they really quickly degrade in performance. Whereas our foams have a real low level of compression set, which means you can kneel on this. If you were using it all day, you would still get the same performance at the start of the day and at the end of the day. And importantly, if you used it over the period of say 12 months, you're still going to get that high level of performance throughout that entire time, and that's critical.
Quite important, isn't it, what you were saying there? Almost like the two functions is like, everyday use of going down on one knee on difficult ground. It offers the comfort of that. But say if you fell off a building, or you had an accident, or you landed hard parachuting, which happens so often, that impact, it instantly stiffens and protects the kneecap.
Yeah, and that can kind of take you out the game.
Of course, yeah.
Some of the bigger impacts, if you're falling against a sharp rock, something like that, falling from a higher height, yeah, you could end up with some serious damage to patellas or the sides of the knee, things like that. It's important that we cover that range of performance as well. And again, our foams have that adaptive technology, so we're able to do all that with one material, which is really handy. Plus, the materials are soft, they're flexible. So again, performance is one thing, but you need to have a product that's functional, that works with the end user. So, there's a lot of design features in here, from some strategic breathability, but maintaining the performance in these critical areas where you're likely to kneel and you're likely to land. The fact that it will wrap around the knee as well to cover some of the side areas, but also the ability for it to move with the end user. Because really, I guess you guys don't want to feel the protection when you're using it. You just need it to be there when you need it.